Our video request series from you continues. First, let's watch this video together. One of our followers sent this video to me. Nisette brother, could you please make this? I want to make one too. Does it actually work? It will technically work. However, there is a situation. These LEDs have specific operating values, voltages, and amperages. You need to provide them with the correct voltage and amperage. These LEDs need to be driven by a 2.8 to 3.5 volt, 350 mA LED driver. Since the current is uncontrolled this way, the LED's lifespan will be short. Even though the LED lights up, it won't shine as brightly as it would with an LED driver. Now, let's do the exact same process shown in the video. Let's see what result it gives. Let's see it all together. We will do the same job, but it will be tidier and nicer, friends. We will place it inside an LED bulb like this. Let's cut our cable. We will solder the resistors onto these cables. We solder one of our resistors to one cable and the other to the other cable. Let's slide on some heat shrink tubing to prevent any short circuits. We are putting our heat shrink tubing in place. Our connections are ready. I will place it on an aluminum block so our LED doesn't overheat. Let's lift these ends up a bit. I'm adding 2 cables over the resistors so they stay flexible and don't break. Actually, thermal paste could be applied, but I don't really find it necessary. I glued it to the fitting. Let it set for a bit. Then, let's solder our cables. Let's continue. I pushed them down so the resistors stay at the bottom. Let's trim these parts a bit. We will pull our cables out from here. It turned out nice. Now let's cut and shorten these. It works when we plug it in directly. It doesn't require any specific positive or negative orientation. We have made our connections. Now let's do our test and end our video. It is lighting up quite properly. Let's close its cover. It became a very nice lamp. We can use it like this for years. However, as I said at the beginning, these LEDs have certain voltage and amperage requirements. Unless you provide those, it won't give its true performance. If you put this in the hallway, you will at least light up the hallway until morning. You can repurpose your old LED lamp this way by using 2 simple resistors and a power LED. You can send me links to similar videos you watch on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram that you are curious about via email. I will try to film those videos for you. Goodbye, may God be with you. Hoping to meet again in healthy and prosperous days. Goodbye.